to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and real quick today what we're going to take a look at is going into a Linux machine with SSH. So let's get right to it. So we're going to come in here, got our secret all pulled up here. So what we're going to do is access our secret, and then we're going to launch with remote access into that particular secret using SSH. And you can see it opens up another tab, and we are in. So that's just like that. We are into the server. No VPN, no agent on the server, just coming right into the SSH connection and accessing the target. So that's it. Thank you very much.